Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Twi language lesson. Today is another conversation translation and we're back on the Delay show. I'm a huge fan of Delay, so you're definitely going to be seeing more of her on my channel. So that's Deloris Frimpong Manso, who is a TV and radio host, producer, entrepreneur, just all-around boss lady. I'm a huge fan. And Fameye, who is a musician, rapper. He's well known for his song Nothing I Get. And I'm telling you, this song speaks to me psychologically, spiritually, emotionally, everything, Lily. So I picked out about a minute of their conversation and I'm going to play it twice for you guys before the breakdown. I think to get the most from this, after the second listening, pause the video and try and translate the conversation for yourself, or at least write down the various words and phrases that you already know, so that during the breakdown session, it's like I'm either affirming what you already know or else you're just correcting yourself. But I think when you're correcting yourself, things stick better in your head. So yeah, I think that's a beneficial way to go about this. As always, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos and leave a comment in the comment section. And finally, thank you so much to all those that have donated to my MissGoldTwi PayPal. I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel in that manner. Right, let's get into this video.
Akwaba. Na yeka Fameye udi yankasa eden.
Midi yankasa Peter Fameye.
Ufri hefa.
In Kaya ne o me. But me mama mo ka baby na da and papa nyanti. Me ko tena me na nanche mo go.
Like wo hometown ye.
Asante Mampong.
Where Asante ni?
Me mama Asante ni tian fa nsem Asante.
Na papa ye den ni. Nzimeni. Okay, nto so mama no papa free mu na usa.
Na
what dey feel say?
Na me 1.
Okay, omu nyina wu the same day another.
Say fan say me papa wu na me 1 year. Sa yi anyumu ana. Me mama so wu ye. Me papa me mama di kan wu ansam papa wu. But like the same year na me two kra. Me dey at 7 na me better so mu. Me said am bisa mu enkwechi say.
Unim dey ekunwom.
Mpa cho da.
Enua akwaba.
Me da se pa.
Na yeka Fameye udi yankasa eden.
Midi yankasa Peter Fameye.
Ufri hefa.
In Kaya ne o me. But me mama mo ka baby na da and papa nyanti. Me ko tena me na nanche mo go.
Like wo hometown ye.
Asante Mampong.
Where Asante ni?
Me mama Asante ni tian fa nsem Asante.
Na papa ye den ni. Nzimeni. Okay, nto so mama no papa free mu na usa. What dey feel say?
Na me 1.
Okay, omu nyina wu the same day another.
Say fan say me papa wu na me 1 year. Sa yi anyumu ana. Me mama so wu ye. Me papa me mama di kan wu ansam papa wu. But like the same year na me two kra. Me dey at 7 na me better so mu. Me said am bisa mu enkwechi say.
Unim dey ekunwom.
Mpa cho da.
So the first thing that Delay says is Minua akwaba. Minua akwaba. And what that means is my brother, welcome. So me is for me, my or I. Nua or unia is a sibling. So if you say unia ba, basically saying sibling girl is your sister. In the same way, unia berima, sibling boy, would be your brother. And Fameye replies by saying medase pa. And what that means is thanks a lot or thank you very much. So pa means a lot or much. Then Delay goes on to say na yeka Fameye wudi ankasa eyeden. Na yeka Fameye wudi ankasa eyeden. What that means is when we say Fameye, what is your actual or your real name? Ankasa, your real or actual name. So yeka is we say, derived from the word kasa. Kasa, which means to speak or a language. Within your name. Ankasa. Ankasa, real or actual. Eyeden is what. Eyeden is what. Fameye responds by saying, Medin ankasa ye Peter Fameye. Medin ankasa ye Peter Fameye. So my real or my actual name is Peter Fameye. Medin, my name. Medin, my name. Ankasa, real or actual. Ye Peter Fameye is Peter Fameye. And then Delay said, Wufri Hifa. Wufri Hifa. This one you guys definitely should know. Wufri Hifa. Where are you from? Where exactly are you from? Wo is you or your. Free means from. He is where. Hifa is where exactly, precise location, specific location. Wufrihi. So Fameye responds by saying, Enkrai ha na yawo me, but me mami muka baby, eni me papa nyina, inti me kotna me na nanchen. Enkrai ha na yawo me, but me mami muka baby, ena me papa nyina, inti me kotna me na nanchen. All that is saying is, I was born right here in Accra, but my parents passed away, so I went to live with my grandparents. I don't know about you, but I see this pattern of either when the parents pass or when the parents travel, grandparents seem to play a really crucial role in the upbringing of children. Enkrai ha, enkrai. Enkrai is the tree for Accra. Ha is here. Wo me. Birth me, giving birth to, I was born. Ka baby. Ka baby is what is it called? A euphemism for death. Yes, for death. So you know how in English you might say, oh, they've passed away, they've passed on, they didn't make it, they're at rest. Ene me papa nyina and my father nyina would mean all, but in this sentence he's sort of saying, and my father also. Ene me papa nyina and my father also. Enti or enti me kotna. So I went to stay, I went to live. Mina nanchen. And chen is like beside or with. So that K and Y makes a ch sound for like cheese or chicken. And chen. The same K and Y that is in my chi or my pa chel. It's actually called, what is it called? It's called a digraphs. My vocabulary is expanding exponentially. Digraphs. So we have 9 digraphs in tree. So those are the GYs and HYs and so forth. So and Cheng. So I went to stay with my grandparents. Then Delay says, like wo hometown ye. Like wo hometown ye. What that means is basically, where is your hometown? Wo hometown, your hometown ye. He is where. And Fameye responds by saying, Asante Mampong. Asante Mampong. And Delay follows that with, Woye Asantini. Woye Asantini. And what that means is, are you an Ashanti? Are you an Ashanti? Asantini is an Ashanti person. I remember we mentioned this in the last video. Ghanaian person. Fameye responds by saying, me mami ye Asantini. Inti yemfa ne se me ye Asantini. Me mami ye Asantini. Inti yemfa no se me ye Asantini. All that is saying, my mom is an Ashanti, so let's take it like, or let's take it that I am also an Ashanti. Me mami, my mother, ye Asantini, is an Ashanti. Enti. So, yemfa no se, yen, let's, fa, to take. Yemfa no se, let's take it like, let's take it that. Meye Asantini, I am an Ashanti. Meye Asantini. Delay then says, Ena wo papa ye deni. Ena wo papa ye deni. And your father is what tribe? And your father is what tribe? Ena, na, any, ni, all mean and. Wo papa, your father, ye deni. If someone walks up to you and says, we ye deni, they're probably referring to what tribe are you from? What tribe? We ye deni. And Fameye responds by saying, enzimani. He's an enzima. Zima. Who got the keys to my zima? Delay then says, okay, enti wuse o mame ne o papa free mono na uswa. Okay, enti wuse o mame ne o papa free mono na uswa. All that means is, okay, so you said when your parents passed, or when your mom and dad passed away, you were young, small, you were a child. Okay, so that would have been yo. Enti wuse. So you said, so you're saying, wo mame ne wo papa. Your mom and your dad. Wo mame ne wo papa. Free mu, passed away, died. Wo, you or your. Swa means young, small, a child, a kid. Swa. So Delay continues and said, na wedi infie seng. Na wedi infie seng. Na wo edi infie seng. How old were you? And Fameye responds by saying, na me wo one, which means I was 1 year old. I would say the proper response should have been, na me di infie baako. Baako is one. I was 1 year old. Na me di infie baako. Delay then said, okay, omu nyina wu the same day anaden. And all that is saying is, did they all die on the same day? Omu is in reference to he or she, plural. So they, them. Whereas ono is for he or she, singular. Yina means all, but remember before it was meaning also. So it's quite depending on the sentence. But here she's saying, did they all pass away on the same day? Anadeng, or what, Remember, ana, if it is used within a sentence, it means or. However, when it's used at the end of a sentence, it often makes the sentence a question. So if she had said, Omu nyina wu the same day ana, it would still be the same thing. Did they both die on the same day? Question mark. Did they both die on the same day? Fameye responds by saying, "Sɛ yɛmfa ne sɛ me papa wuiɛ na me wɔ 1 year. Saa year no mu na me maame nso wuiɛ." Sɛ yɛmfa no sɛ me papa wuiɛ na me wɔ 1 year. Saa year no mu na me maame nso wuiɛ. All that is saying is, so let's take it like my dad died when I was 1 year old. That was the same year, or in that same year, my mother also died. Sɛ yɛmfa ne sɛ, let's take it like me papa wuiɛ. My father died. Me wɔ 1. Again, should really be saying na me di mfie baako. Saa year no mu. That same year, or within that year, mu is inside, within. Saa year no mu. Me maame nso wuiɛ. My mother also died. My mother also passed away. And so, also. Sɛ yɛmfa ne sɛ me papa wuiɛ na me wɔ 1 a. Saa year no mu na me maame nso wuiɛ. Fameye continues. Me maame di kan wu ansa me papa, but like the same year. Me maame di kan wuiɛ ansa me papa, but like the same year. And all that is saying, my mom died first, or my mom died before my dad, but it was the same year. Di kan is first or ahead. If you say di kan meba, it's like take the lead or go ahead, I'm coming. So within the sentence, just say my mom died first or my mom died before my dad. Answer before answer. So di kan first. Me maame di kan wuiɛ ansa me papa, but like the same year. So the lady then goes on to respond by saying, "Ɛdɛn na ɛyɛ wɔ mo? Ɛdɛn na ɛyɛ wɔ mo? Ɛdɛn." All that is saying is what happened to them. Because we know that they have passed, it's like what killed them. Ɛdɛn na ɛyɛ wɔ mo? Ɛdɛn, what? Ɛdɛn. Mo would be the plural for wo, so they and them instead of you and your. Fameye responds by saying, "Me deɛ atesɛm na me bɛte sɛ ɔmawu. Me nhyɛ da mbusɛ mu akɔ akyire saa. Me deɛ atesɛm na me bɛte sɛ ɔmawu. Me nhyɛ da mbusɛ mu akɔ akyire saa." All that is saying is, it was through or was by hearsay that I heard that they had died. I haven't really asked. Atesem is hearsay. Mebete, I came to hear. Minsheda, I haven't seriously, I haven't intentionally. He's just saying I haven't really delved into the specifics of how they pass. Busa, to ask, busa. So I haven't really delved into the specifics of how or the nature of their death or how it came about. Finally, Delay said, Wunim dear eku womu. Wunim die ekun womo. And all that is saying, do you know what killed them? Do you know what killed them? Wunim. You know. Wunim. Kun. Kun. Killed. Mo. Mo is plural for he or she, so them or they. Wunim die ekun womo. And Fameye responds by saying, Me pachel debi. Me pachel dabi. Me pachel debi, which is no, please. Test yourself. Onya barima. Enkrai. Kabebi. Nyina. Wunya ba fri hefa. Wo papa nkasa ye hwan. Yemfa no se. Medi mfie baako. Wo maame ya santini ana. Leave your answers in the comments.